And Andrew Muller with Mappus Insurance. Andrew, good morning.
Hey, Brian, how you doing?
I'm doing great. In the Post and Courier, I saw your name this weekend. I figured I'd give you a quick shout and talk to you about flood insurance, a big issue affecting probably one of the biggest financial issues affecting residents specifically in the Lowcountry. You were quoted in there talking about a new company that's offering private flood insurance. It models FEMA a little bit. It's underwritten by Lloyd's of London and has a $5,000 deductible. What's this doing for people on rates? Is it coming in a lot better? Is it making some progress?
Absolutely. So this program is designed to help those homeowners that are seeing the drastic increases in their flood insurance premiums when their property is sold. And so this is a program that's not gonna be a fit for everyone.
Right.
This is going to be a fit for those that again see that drastic increase, and in which case that buyer doesn't want to purchase that home any longer because the flood insurance is going to be so much. Now there's a solution where we can provide affordable flood insurance to these new homeowners.
Now, my view is this. I get the sense there's a lot of people out there that have been hearing about this and going, hey, well, it's not affecting me yet. I haven't gotten any increase in premium. My view is that everyone at some point is going to start to see these premium increases over the next 5 years. The best estimate, nobody knows for sure, is that the best case scenarios will double. If it's $1,000 now, it'll be $2,000 5 years from now. To what level are you seeing these increases across the board right now? Is it at an epidemic level, or is it more isolated for now?
Right now, it is pretty isolated with many of these older properties, as you mentioned earlier, the pre-firm properties. But certainly, everyone over the next couple of years is going to see increases in their premiums. There are rate increases all the time, and now with the microscope all over what the rates are and what everybody's being charged, I do see everyone, both new and older properties, going to see higher rate increases than normally.
Okay, so do we have any idea when those rate increase letters might start coming out? Is it this year, next year? Just a best guess. What is it?
Well, the rates, every October new rates come out. So that's whenever the rate changes will occur. So once we start receiving renewals on renewals that occur after this coming October, then we'll start to see how the rate increases will be impacting these homeowners currently.
To give some people hope that are facing high cost, they know it's going to go up, they believe us here, analyze this statement for me. My belief is that over the next couple of years, flood insurance is going to be a black plague on housing and ownership of homes and such as that. But as that occurs, there will end up being probably dozens of companies that will create private products to keep it from being an Armageddon, and it'll then become a private market, and it'll probably at some point get fairly healthy. Is that reasonable to assume that?
Absolutely, and the private market is going to, as we're seeing now, they have come into the market because they see an opportunity where they can help out people and also potentially make a profit off of it.
Right.
And so we're only going to see more companies like this come into play into this market and drive the flood insurance premium rates down even further.
So it's a short-term, mid-term type of mess, and much like everything else the government subsidizes, now we are left to deal with it. But as a private business and market capitalist society, some hope of it still anyway, we'll probably get it fixed on the business front. So that's good to hear, and good that I'm glad to hear you agree with it. Andrew Muller, Mappus Insurance Agency, an expert in the insurance field here in the Lowcountry. How do people reach you if they want to get a private question answered?
Absolutely. Well, you can always find us on our website. It's Mappusinsurance.com and MAPPUS insurance.com. You can also reach us by phone, 843-763-4200.